My name is Gabe Houston, and I own and operate the Trial Lab.
My name is Travis Davis, and I'm a partner at the Simon Law Group.
My name is Robbie Munoz. I'm a trial lawyer with the Simon Law Group.
Joey was riding his motorcycle. He had just purchased it not too long before the crash.
He's driving down a street in Cyprus, and he's on his way to his salon, and a car pulls out about 120 feet in front of him.
He should have been able to stop without even locking up the brakes. All experts agreed to that. When he was presented with a sudden emergency situation and needed that brake in its full force and effect, it didn't perform for him as he needed it to, and he was unable to stop. It turned out that this product, which is a Suzuki GSXR motorcycle, it had a defective front brake.
He ends up slamming his leg into the tire of a Suburban, which caused catastrophic injuries.
He ended up with a shattered femur that was just obliterated from his hip to his knee that required a titanium rod to be inserted. He also broke his patella, which is your kneecap. Suzuki never put money on this case, and in fact, they were awarded a cost judgment on appeal against Mr. Soulier, who currently has a $130,000 judgment against him, payable to Suzuki for losing the appeal.
Joey has had a really remarkable recovery. But if you were to see Joey walking down the street, you really wouldn't expect that he ever had this experience.
So DK Global's animation was something we were able to present to the jury that gave them a good picture of what they weren't able to see with a healthy man sitting next to us at trial.
The animation itself was incredible, and it was a really, really great tool in being able to share this story and help present this story in a way that I think ultimately this jury, they believed in and that they wanted to get behind and support.
But we did have a juror have a tough time looking at these demonstratives because she got so queasy. She literally said they were so lifelike and realistic, she was gonna pass out. She had to stop looking at them.
The verdict in the retrial was in two parts. One was for compensatory damages for Joey's injuries, both in the past and going into the future. And that was approximately $11 million.
And then the second outcome was a punitive damages verdict to punish and deter Suzuki from being involved in similar conduct in the future. And that verdict came the next day at $150 million.
I couldn't ask for more from a company like DK Global to help me provide the demonstrative evidence to help the jury understand what the extent of damages or liability were in this case.